Hey guys, it's Morgan here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another banger video for you guys today. So today I will be discussing how to make more money on your YouTube channel, even if you're not monetized. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that little post notification bell so you don't miss any more of my upcoming videos. Now, let's get right into the video. So, I will be discussing how you can make more money on YouTube even if you're not monetized. So I know a lot of people start up YouTube channels with the intent of having YouTube be a stream of income and or their main source of income. However, it does take time and a lot of hard work before you can get monetized and approved for Google AdSense. Some of those requirements are, for example, at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, for some people, those are super duper easily attainable. However, for someone like me, who started off their YouTube channel with barely any following, it was definitely hard and it took a lot of time and hard work and dedication in order to finally get monetized on YouTube. So, that was something that I kind of started this off with, obviously the goal of making money off of YouTube, but there wasn't really a time constraint, or I wasn't in much of a rush to make this my main source of income or one of my sources of income. It was just kind of a when it happens type of thing, and I'll just keep that end goal in mind. However, I know for a lot of people, they don't want to wait that long. They want to start making money from YouTube or through YouTube right away. They want to start finding ways for them to make more money and add this on to be an extra source of income. So I will be telling you guys how to do that. The way to do that is through affiliate links or affiliate marketing. So you're probably wondering, well, what is that? So basically, if you're an affiliate for a company, for example, basically what you do is you reach out to that company, you describe what it is that you're doing, you describe your channel, your following, what it is that your niche is basically, and then they will send you a personal link to their website. Now, there are so many different companies that you can be an affiliate marketer for. So for example, I am an affiliate marketer for Amazon, Pretty Little Thing, Shein, Zaffle, along with Mac Collection. Now, if any of those names ring a bell to you, then thank you. That means that you have been watching my YouTube videos. And yes, you're right. A lot of those companies that I listed off are companies that I make videos basically showing their products. And this is something that I wish I would have known when I started up, because this would have been a very easy way for me to make money right away from YouTube. However, you live, you learn. So now I'm here to let you guys know about this amazing opportunity so that now you can make money while you're also growing your channel, or you can just simply have an extra source of income now through YouTube basically. So basically what I do for these companies by being an affiliate marketer is I purchase clothing from their website, and this is what I personally do in order to basically drive traffic to their website. I buy clothing from their website, I make YouTube videos trying on the clothing, rating it, stuff like that, posting pictures on my Instagram of me modeling their clothing. And then from there, I link the products and then people go to their websites. Now, before I became an affiliate marketer, I was doing all of this. However, I wasn't an affiliate marketer. So I was linking the products in the description box down below and just left it there. But now when I link products in the description box down below, whenever I drive traffic to their website and someone purchases something through the links that I have provided, now I receive a small commission from that. So when I say a small commission, I mean maybe 10% of the overall sale, which may not seem like a lot, but it really kind of racks up if you think about it. Let's say if you get one person and they purchase maybe 5 swimsuits, and each of those swimsuits are $20, just like that, you made $10 off of one person. Now you get 4 people to do that, that's $40 extra. And it keeps going up and going up and going up just like that, simply from just basically advertising for the companies. So this is the reason why I really love affiliate marketing, because also not only am I basically making money doing what I love, but it's also something that I was already doing previously on my YouTube channel, and I didn't even realize like I could get paid basically for linking products in the description box down below. So now that was probably a lot of information that I just threw at you guys, and you're probably wondering like 50 million questions like, well, how do I do this? How do I sign up? How do I reach out to the companies? Or maybe you're thinking, I don't have a fan base. I don't have a big following. Well, if you look at, for example, my YouTube channel, you will see I don't have a huge following on YouTube. I am not at 10,000 subscribers. I only have 3,000 subscribers. Now, that isn't a super big following at all. However, I still got approved by those companies. So now you're also probably thinking, well, how did you reach out to those companies? So now I'm here to tell you how you can start affiliate marketing and start getting your own affiliate links. So a few of the things that I will be mentioning in this video are A1 Publisher, along with ShareASale. So these are 2 online platforms where you can basically sign up to become an affiliate marketer. So let's take a look at this. So the first one that I will be talking about is ShareASale. So here, I will show you guys basically what ShareASale looks like. I'll flash up a picture on the screen so that you guys can see it. So basically ShareASale is just an online platform where you can sign up for ShareASale, and then through ShareASale it provides you with a list of I can't even count, a ton of different companies. Tons of different companies ranging from clothing, athletic gear, food stuff, not food stuff, but like cooking gear, stuff like that. A plethora of different basically online companies where you can become an affiliate for. So when you first go on to ShareASale, you basically sign up and it will ask you different questions about like basically what your platform is or your blog, website, basically like how do you plan on generating traffic to these companies' websites, basically what is it that you plan on doing, like what is it that you do. So for me, I filled it in, filled in the different questions, told them that I have a YouTube channel, provided a link to my YouTube channel, and basically just gave a description of what it is that I do, which was I try on clothing, I recommend products, and I let my viewers know about this in order to drive traffic to the websites. So once you do that, your application should get approved. I can't think of any reason why your application for ShareASale wouldn't be approved or why you wouldn't be accepted. I can't think of any reason, but I got approved. So basically, once you do that and you sign up on ShareASale, it will take you to the home screen. So I'll flash a picture of what my home screen looks like on ShareASale. So basically, the home screen of ShareASale, it shows you all of the companies, merchants, whatever, that's what they call it on here, merchants, that you are an affiliate for. And then when you look at it, you can just see that it will say get links. So you click on that where it says get links. So for example, let's say if I wanted to share a link for Zaffle. You go on there, and then as you guys can see, it will show you a bunch of different links that you can use just to link people to the Zaffle website. Now, this is great. This is wonderful. You can just send people to the website, and whatever they order, you get a % of the commission. However, for what it is that I do, I show people specific products. So I show them what it is exactly that I like, and showing them like, hey, I recommend this swimsuit, for example. So then you can use these links that are provided. These are just basically generic links. You can use that. However, or you could go through and just click at the top of the screen on custom link to a specific item. So then basically you go to the Zaffle website, you find that specific item that you would like to show off, you copy and paste that link, you enter it into share a cell, and then it gives you a custom link. So now you're probably wondering, what do you mean by a custom link? So basically this is a trackable link where if anyone clicks on that and purchases something, they will know that basically they came through your personal link. They will know that you basically recommended that product or their website to that person because it has a specific number and just like your ID code, different stuff like that. And this is not hard to do at all. I like creating affiliate links is so easy. It is not time consuming. Like it is super duper duper easy. And it was basically just like an extra step added from what it was that I was already doing, because I already was copying and pasting URLs of specific products in order to link them in the description box down below. Now, instead of using that URL that comes from the website, I take that URL, I enter it into, for example, share a cell, and now it basically adds my trackable ID and link to it. So now basically now it's my custom link along with it still takes them to that specific item. So it's only an extra step, but then you can make money off of that. So then the next thing that I will be talking about is A1 Publisher. So the reason why I use A1 Publisher is because for a company such as Pretty Little Thing, this is what I found from their website in order to become an affiliate for them. So I will show you guys my dashboard home screen for A1. So basically, as you can see, it will show like my account, and at the top you will see it will say manage accounts or user dashboard. So you're going to click on the user dashboard, and then you will see a screen where it shows you how much money you've earned, and then along with that it will also show you how you're doing this month with sales or clicks and just how much money you've, like your commission from those things. So now let's say you want to create a link for A1. You will go to the top, click on the toolbox icon, and then you will drop down and create and go to link builder. And then you go there, and then it will take you to a screen where it will show you, like, it will say stuff like an advertiser, select your advertiser, and then you select the company that you're trying to create a link for, Pretty Little Thing, for example, and then you enter in the URL from the item that you would like to recommend, or either just the overall website, and then it creates a custom link for you. So now the reason why I really like this is because it helps to not only help me make money through my videos, but also it's a way just, again, to drive people to the website and just to let them know that I am driving more traffic to the website. So now another way to advertise your links is actually on your social media platforms. So along with also doing this on YouTube, I also market my affiliate links on my Instagram page. So I created a link tree, and then I provided links to the different websites, just the regular websites, so that people who I'm following, they can go click on it and then just, you know, shop freely. So then I have that, and then that way you can just go and shop, and I make money from people just clicking those links and going to shop. And I try to drive traffic, like, you know, like obviously people aren't just going to assume to click on your link tree and then start shopping. So usually I'll make posts like, oh, like if you really like this swimsuit, check out the link in my bio, or like I love Pretty Little Things clothing, like why don't you guys check out Pretty Little Things website, link in my bio. Simple things like that so that I can drive more traffic and I can get more clicks or more people to purchase stuff and just get more exposure basically. Okay, so the last company that I am an affiliate marketer for is actually Amazon. So this is definitely probably I'd say the best setup when it comes to affiliate marketing, because on Amazon, those people don't have to, for example, purchase a specific product that you are trying to sell to them. And along with that, with Amazon, if they make a purchase from the website, from your link within the next 24 hours, you receive a commission of everything that they purchase. So this is something I really like, because everyone uses Amazon, you know? So it's like, you may go to Amazon because I recommended a tripod to you, and then they may start seeing tripods and then ring lights and then, I don't know, like cameras and just stuff like that. and then they will end up purchasing a bunch of stuff, and I make a commission from every single thing that they purchase, from the entire like overall purchase, how much money it was, which I think is something that is really amazing and something that I think is really, really, really great. So in order to sign up for an Amazon, I will show you guys the screen, and then you just basically click sign up. Same thing with the other ones. It will ask you questions, how do you plan on generating traffic, things like that. And then basically here's what the main screen looks like. You can just basically go on here and then just create like personal links to specific products that you want to link. And again, I put products in my link tree. So for example, right now I am advertising how to get rid of ingrown hairs on your bikini line. So I have that link in my link tree, and I tell people like, hey, like here's a good product for getting rid of that. Like, yeah, here, use this link that I basically provided you with, and then if they go onto Amazon and purchase a bunch of other things like cooking supplies and all this other stuff, I will make money from that. So that is something that I think is really awesome. So on your YouTube videos, I highly, 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 highly recommend, if you are using affiliate marketing, to include different links to just different things. Like, obviously don't like bombard people with links, but let's say you want to, you know, link what tripod you use, link what camera you use, maybe link a camera, link, you know, maybe a couple different outfits, you know, stuff like that. Those things are really helpful, especially through Amazon, because if those people end up making a sale, now you have money. Now you are generating another source of income. And also, I should also mention, along with these links and the affiliate marketing, like the companies Awin and then also ShareASale, if I also provide those links to those companies to people, I also make a commission off of that as well. So it's like all of this kind of like is like a huge snowball effect, and it kind of just like rolls and rolls and rolls to like making more money. So now if you aren't monetized on YouTube, you can still make money just by linking products in the description box down below. However, you always have to make sure that you are mentioning that, one, the products are in the description box down below, because sometimes people don't know to check that. And then also you do have to disclose that the links that you are using are affiliate links, because legally you have to let people know that. But outside of that, this is a great way to make extra money. It is a great way to make money off of making YouTube videos, even if you aren't approved for Google AdSense. And it is totally something that I wish I would have gotten into sooner, but now that I'm into it, I totally love it, and I think it is a great extra source of income and a great way to just make more money on the side by doing something that I really do genuinely love. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, let me know, or you could follow me on Instagram and shoot me a DM. I will try to quickly respond and answer any questions that you may provide or you may have. Everything that I'm talking about in this video is completely legit. You can look it up on your own, watch other videos, look it up, stuff like that. This is just a different way of marketing and a way to actually make money for the marketing that you're doing, because if you are just simply making videos about stuff, you could be making money just by basically talking about the stuff that you're talking about. Let's say if you have a channel with a pet and you really love using this certain leash for your dog, you could link that in the description box down below, and then boom, you can make money just like that. There's so many different ways to make money from affiliate marketing, because there are so many different merchants and companies that I would say for like any like niche of like whatever it is, I feel like there's always going to be a merchant that you can link to. For me personally, my niche right now is fashion and clothing companies, so I try to keep it pretty narrow and try to use most of my affiliate marketing to drive traffic to those clothing websites, just because that's kind of what I make my videos around. That's what I'm mainly focusing on. However, if you have a different type of target audience, if you have a different thing that you are discussing in your videos, this is a great way to make more money on YouTube. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everything that I mentioned will be in the description box down below. Make sure to use my links so that way I can get a small commission from referring you. And if you have any questions, like I said, feel free to comment down below. Thank you guys.